The banana blossom was once considered simple farm waste, but it has now become a global vegan superfood.
Known as a meat substitute, this unique plant is taking over markets in the West and beyond today.
Processing 100,000 pounds of these blossoms every day requires an incredible level of modern industrial engineering. Today we enter the world's largest banana blossom factory to see how waste is turned into luxury food.
The journey begins in the vast plantations, where every single bunch of bananas produces only one blossom.
To reach the daily target, thousands of acres must be harvested by hand in a very tight time frame.
Oxidation is the greatest challenge because the blossom starts turning black the moment it is cut away. The trip from the field to the factory must be completed within hours to maintain the high quality. Upon arrival, the blossoms are dumped onto automated conveyor belts to begin their transformation into a meat alternative.
Specialized machines and workers begin the delicate process of de-shucking the tough, purple outer petals from the blossoms.
The outer petals are removed until the tender, cream-colored heart of the banana blossom is finally revealed. Extreme precision is required here, because too much pressure will crush the delicate and soft interior heart section. The discarded outer leaves do not go to waste and are instead processed into high-quality organic fertilizer. Once the hearts are exposed, they enter a sanitization tunnel for a specialized chemical and water cleaning bath. A solution of cold water and citric acid is used to kill germs and prevent any further browning.
This acid bath ensures the blossoms stay bright and fresh while moving through the various industrial processing stages.
Automatic sorters organize the blossoms by size to determine which will be sold whole or moved to cutting.
The highest quality whole hearts are set aside for specialty markets, where they are sold as premium products.
The remaining blossoms enter the shredding zone, where high-speed industrial slicers wait to process the bulk material.
These slicers cut the blossoms into thin fibers that perfectly mimic the texture of pulled pork or fish.
This specific texture is the secret to why banana blossoms have become so popular in the vegan world.
After shredding, the fibers are soaked in a saltwater brine to remove the natural bitterness of the plant. This soaking process is essential for creating a neutral flavor profile that can absorb any sauce or seasoning.
Now the packaging phase begins for the 100,000 pounds of output generated by the factory daily.
Giant vacuum packing machines and canning lines work in perfect harmony to handle the massive volume of food.
Every can is filled with a mixture of water, salt, and a dash of fresh lemon juice today.
The cans are sealed airtight to ensure that no oxygen can enter and spoil the precious blossom meat substitute.
The sealed cans are moved into giant retort machines, which act as massive industrial-scale pressure cookers now.
High temperatures and pressure sterilize the contents, ensuring the product is safe for long-term global shipping.
This sterilization process allows the banana blossoms to remain shelf-stable for up to 2 years without refrigeration.
After cooking, the cans are cooled rapidly to prevent overcooking and to stabilize the texture of the blossoms.
Every batch is sampled and tested in the on-site laboratory to verify the pH and texture levels.
Texture and sweetness are carefully measured to ensure that every single can meets the strict international standards.
Once the quality team gives the green signal, colorful labels are applied to the cans for various markets.
The finished goods are packed into boxes and loaded into shipping containers destined for the United States market.
These products travel to Europe and the UK, where they are used by high-end vegan culinary chefs.
In fancy restaurants, these blossoms are served as vegan fish, offering a sustainable and delicious meat alternative.
What was once considered farm waste is now feeding millions and supporting a massive global industrial food economy.
Tell us in the comments if you have ever tried a burger made from these incredible banana blossoms.
If you enjoyed this look inside the mega factory, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
The efficiency of the factory depends on the sharpness of the tools used in the early morning harvest.
Timing is everything in this industry, as the heat of the day can accelerate the oxidation process rapidly.
Before the peeling begins, high-pressure air jets remove any surface dust or insects from the raw blossoms.
Automated cutters remove the woody stems, leaving only the usable flower parts for the next stage of processing. Manual coring ensures that only the softest parts of the heart are sent to the final canning line. Quality inspectors use ultraviolet lights to spot any remaining purple fibers that might affect the final product's appearance. The ratio of citric acid must be exact to preserve color without affecting the delicate taste of hearts. Salt is added to the brine to help pull out the bitter tannins found naturally in blossoms. The high-speed blades are replaced every 4 hours to maintain the clean cut needed for texture. Shaker tables separate different grades of shredded blossoms based on the length of the individual plant fibers. Cold temperatures are maintained throughout the process to keep the plant fibers firm and ready for canning. Regular checks on the filling line ensure that every can contains the correct weight and brine levels.
Empty cans are sterilized with high-pressure steam before they are filled with the processed blossom fibers.
Labels are printed with soy-based inks to align with the eco-friendly mission of the product.
High-rack storage systems maximize the factory's capacity to hold the massive daily output of finished goods.
Seals are placed on every container to prevent tampering during the long voyage to international food distributors.
The final dish is indistinguishable from real fish, providing a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers everywhere. Overseeing an operation of this scale requires constant monitoring of both machine performance and worker safety protocols.
Skilled labor remains a vital part of the process, as human hands can feel the blossom's texture.
The factory prides itself on a zero-waste policy, utilizing every part of the harvested banana blossoms.
Precision robotics reduce the margin of error, ensuring the factory can hit its massive daily production goals.
Pressure is the key to safety, destroying any potential pathogens within the sealed cans during the cook. Cans must be perfectly dry before labeling to prevent the adhesive from failing during storage or shipping.
Traceability is essential, allowing the factory to track every can back to the specific plantation and harvest.
Safety gear is mandatory for all personnel to protect against the high noise levels of the machinery.
The work never truly stops, as the next day's harvest is already being planned by the logistics.
Under a microscope, the structure of the blossom reveals why it is the perfect substitute for seafood. Cleanliness is maintained through rigorous sanitation cycles that occur between every major production shift in the factory. Stretch wrapping secures the heavy boxes for transport, preventing any damage during the bumpy journey to port.
Every truckload represents another step toward a more sustainable global food system powered by plant-based innovations.
Consumers are often shocked to learn that their delicious meal started as a simple purple flower blossom.
The neutral flavor and meaty texture make it a versatile ingredient for cuisines from all around the
Many of these mega factories are now utilizing solar energy to further reduce their overall carbon footprint.
Water recycling systems ensure that the factory remains as environmentally friendly as the vegan products it creates.
Research and development teams are constantly working to find new ways to utilize this incredible plant-based resource.
New product lines like dried blossom snacks are being developed to cater to the growing health market.
This industry provides a valuable secondary income for banana farmers who used to throw these blossoms away.
From Asia to the Americas, the demand for banana blossoms is growing at an exponential rate yearly.
Factories are expanding rapidly to keep up with the global trend toward plant-based meat alternatives and
The dedication of the workforce is the backbone of this 100,000-pound per day production cycle. The night shift ensures that the factory never stops moving, maximizing efficiency and output.
Industrial boilers provide the massive amounts of steam needed for the sterilization and cooking processes in factory.
Strict adherence to safety protocols ensures that every can of banana blossom is safe for every consumer.
This humble flower is changing the way we think about food, sustainability, and the future of meat.
For every blossom harvested, new trees are planted to ensure a continuous and sustainable supply for years.
Industrial automation allows for the high-volume production that brings down the cost for the average consumer.
The journey from a tropical tree to a kitchen cupboard is a miracle of modern logistics and
Chefs appreciate the versatility of the blossom, which can be grilled, fried, or even eaten in salads.
Hard work and high technology come together here to create a product that helps save our oceans.
This facility stands as a beacon of innovation in the rapidly growing world of plant-based nutrition.